So நான் first உங்கள்ட்ட சாரி கேட்கிறேன். ஏன்னா last 2 weeks என்னால வீடியோ போட முடியல because I was sick. இப்போ நான் ஆல்ரெடி ஆயிட்டேன். So வீடியோ போட ஓடி வந்துட்டேன். So this video is especially about period. So period is no more a taboo. நீங்க வந்து இது both genderக்குமே ஷேர் பண்ணலாம் because we just want to educate them. Like period na என்னன்னு எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியணும் irrespective of the gender. அது எதுக்காண்டி அது எவ்வளவு important எவ்வளவு beneficial இதெல்லாம் தெரியணும். அந்த நேரத்துல எப்படி இருக்குது because we will not feel it comfortable to tell people directly. It will be better if they see this video. So அவங்க இங்கிலீஷ் vocabulary develop பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும் and moreover we are educating them with the topic which is considered taboo. நிறைய பேர் இத வந்து இத பத்தி பேசினாலே வந்து அச்சச்சோ காரணம்ன்றவங்க இருக்காங்க. So இது அப்படிப்பட்ட ஒரு மோசமான டாபிக் கிடையாது. This is just nature and இத பத்தி எல்லாருக்கும் எஜுகேட் பண்றதுக்காண்டி தான் இந்த வீடியோ. So share it with your friends and family. எல்லாருமே இத பத்தி தெரியட்டும். It is nature னு புரியட்டும். And மாஸ்டர் தமிழ் சேனலுக்கு நீங்க கொடுத்த சப்போர்ட்க்கு ரொம்ப 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 தேங்க்ஸ். ஸோ மாஸ்க் இங்கிலீஷ் டியூட்டோரியல்ஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே மாஸ்டர் தமிழுக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிருங்க. வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தா கண்டிப்பா லைக் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க இதுக்கு எவ்வளவு சப்போர்ட் கொடுக்குறீங்களோ அதே அளவுக்கு சப்போர்ட் அதுலேயே நான் எதிர்பார்க்கிறேன். நீங்க எவ்வளவு சப்போர்ட் கொடுக்குறீங்களோ அவ்வளோ நான் வந்து நிறைய யோசிச்சு நிறைய டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டாபிக்ஸ்ல வீடியோஸ் போடலாம்னு இருக்கிறேன். ஸோ நீங்க தான் எனக்கு எனர்ஜி கொடுக்கணும். ஸோ வித் திஸ் I'm leaving you friends. Bye-bye. See you later.
Hi everyone. Welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today you're gonna learn the periods vocabulary. Share this video with all men and women to educate them about periods. What is a period? A period is a release of blood from a girl's uterus out through her vagina. When does a girl get her first period? A girl gets her first period between the ages 10 and 16. There is no particular age. It varies from girl to girl. What is the other name of a period? Menstruation is the other name of a period. What is the term used to describe the flow of blood? Bleeding is the term that is used to describe the flow of blood. What is the menstrual cycle? Menstrual cycle is the regular occurrence of period in the interval of 21 to 35 days that lasts for a duration of 2 to 7 days. Is there any special name for the first period? Yes, menarche is the occurrence of a first menstrual period in the female adolescent. What are the types of periods? According to the flow of blood, period is divided into two. One is heavy period, in which the bleeding is very heavy, and the other is light period, in which the bleeding is light. According to the frequency of occurrence, period is divided into three. First is missed period. Missed period refers to a situation in which you didn't get your period for a month. Second is late period. Late period refers to a situation in which period occurs after a delay. Third is irregular period. Irregular period refers to the situation in which you can't predict your periods and it occurs occasionally rather than being regular. What is a PMS? PMS means premenstrual syndrome. Premenstrual syndrome, which has a wide variety of signs and symptoms including mood swings, irritation, food craving, back pain, abdominal cramps, pimples, headaches, and depression. What are the products that can be used to keep oneself protected and tension-free during periods? The most common product that is used is the sanitary pad or napkin, which is also called sanitary towel. Other products include tampon, menstrual cup, and panty liner. Will girls get periods throughout their life? Not actually. Most women experience the end point of their periods between their 40s and 50s. This condition is called menopause. What is the name of the solid blood that is released as waste during periods? Bleeding is not always in liquid state. Sometimes it becomes little colloidal and it is called a blood clot. What are the phrases that can be used instead of saying I got my period? The phrases for this purpose are: number 1, a visit from Aunt Flo. Number 2, got the decorators or painters in. Number 3, that time of the month. Number 4, strawberry week. Number 5, when the red pirate comes. Number 6, to surf the red wave. Number 7, visit from the south. Number 8, I'm on stop. Number 9, riding the cotton pony. Number 10, lady time. Number 11, Red Sea. Number 12, have guests from Red River Bank. And number 13, Santa Claus is coming. Hope you liked this video, guys. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.